Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use the OR formula in Excel. OR formula checks in your arguments and sees if any of them is true. If any of the argument is true, it will give you a true as an answer. Like over here, we want to find out that we want the OR statement or formula to check if either of these cells contain payment type contains Visa or Master. If that is so, it should return a true. So if not, then it should return a false. So how do we do it? We type in is equal to or. It says logic 1. This cell is equal to Visa, comma, or the same cell E4 is equal to Master. If that is the case, then it should give us a true. Now I'm going to copy it. So wherever the statement was true, one of the arguments was true, it gave us a true. Where none of the arguments was true, it gave us a false. The same thing I have used over here with the if formula. All right. So whatever the formula was here for or, I added a if so that to find out that if it was a Visa or a Master, then add a 5% charge. So how did I go about it? I did if or. Now the standard or formula, this cell is equal to Visa or the same cell is equal to Master, bracket close, and value if true, 5 pounds should be added. If not, then nothing. So now I'm going to copy it and see wherever it is Visa or Master, it's giving me a charge of $5. If I make it $10 from here, see, I'm editing it by pressing F2. Oh, sorry, 10 pounds. I'm copying it. Wherever there's a Visa or a Master, it adds a surcharge, a handling charge of 10 pounds. It's way too much. I don't know whether that's. So see you in the next video.